So since I was here, I thought I'd show you the inside. Before I do the oil for the first time, undid the bolts and everything already, and they just hang there. They don't fall out, so which is nice. You don't lose them. And this thing just lifts up and comes off. And that's a nice hard shell. And foam in there for noise reduction. And this is what the inside looks like. You got your oil here, recommendations, you got your filter, inverter, and then your gas lines and stuff, carburetor, and here's your air, which is nice. You don't have to use any tools. You can just get in there even with one hand. And you gotta put some oil on that so it doesn't run dry. Yeah, it's not lot wide opener than the other one. That box style had a big plastic piece through here, and this was all enclosed. You barely get your hand in there to unloosen that and even put oil in it. So this is wide open, nice, and way better than what they had on the 2000s. This is just wide open. It's just really nice. There you have it. There's the inside of it.